2, 3, funky.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Isaac and Stuff. Today we're going to be removing a toilet. Unfortunately, I do not have liquilock that solidifies the water and makes this process a lot easier and a lot less wet, but we're doing it the hard way. First, you need to shut off the water supply valve, and then flush it a couple times to get rid of as much water in the toilet as you can. We're going to remove the caps on both sides to expose the nuts and the washers. This is what's holding down the toilet. Use a crescent wrench to remove them. Sometimes they're finger tight, so you can just take it off with your hands, but most of the time they're pretty tight, so you do want to use a crescent wrench. And I got it. Oh, never mind. Almost there. Alright, I got it. Now the toilet is free, besides the water hose. So we're going to detach the water line from the ball valve. And here you're going to see some water dripping, and that would be avoided if I had the liquilock. But since I don't, and there's still excess water in the toilet, that's why you're seeing some leaking. Now that the toilet's free from the water line and the bolts, I am putting excess water that is in there into a bucket. As you can see, I dumped water all over myself from the tank. That should not happen. If I have liquilock, that would not happen. Now, step 6, place a bag underneath the toilet and over the top so that when you place the toilet somewhere, no excess water gets out and you don't damage anyone's flooring, whether it be your client or your own. Final step is you want to remove the wax ring that keeps your toilet from leaking. You always want to remove the old one. I don't know why whoever invented this made it the color of a turd, but it's not turd, it is wax, and you have to remove it. Always place new wax rings when replacing or putting a new or older toilet. And that's it, guys. Thanks for tuning in. I'll catch you later.